Before diving into Amazon dropshipping in 2024, there are several crucial factors to consider. Here are 22 essential things you should know. 1. Dropshipping involves selling products without carrying any inventory. You'll work with suppliers who will ship products directly to customers on your behalf. 2. Amazon's dropshipping policy is strict and it's not officially supported. However, many successful sellers still use dropshipping on Amazon. 3. Research your niche and target audience to ensure profitability and demand for your products. 4. Find reliable suppliers with good product quality, pricing, and shipping times. 5. Use a dropshipping tool or software to manage orders, inventory, and communication with suppliers. 6. Optimize your product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. 7. Implement effective marketing strategies such as PPC advertising, social media marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic and sales. 8. Build a strong brand reputation through excellent customer service and timely delivery of products. 9. Stay updated on Amazon's policies and guidelines to avoid account suspension or termination. 10. Manage your cash flow carefully by setting realistic pricing and profit margins, as well as monitoring supplier payments and customer refunds. 11. Use Amazon's FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, program to streamline the shipping process and improve customer satisfaction. 12. Utilize Amazon's analytics tools to track sales trends, customer behavior, and supplier performance for continuous improvement. 13. Collaborate with other sellers in your niche to share insights and resources for mutual benefit. 14. Stay informed about industry trends, emerging technologies, and best practices in dropshipping to stay ahead of the competition. 15. Develop a long-term growth strategy that includes expanding your product line, improving operational efficiency, and exploring new sales channels beyond Amazon. 16. Prioritize data security and privacy by implementing strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and regular backups of important information. 17. Invest in training and development opportunities for yourself and your team to enhance skills in areas such as marketing, finance, and operations management. 18. Foster a positive work culture that values open communication, collaboration, and continuous learning to foster a productive and engaged team environment. 19. Regularly review your business performance metrics, such as revenue, profit margin, customer satisfaction ratings, and supplier feedback, to identify areas for improvement and optimization. 20. Stay adaptable and flexible in response to changing market conditions or unexpected events, such as supplier delays or customer complaints, to maintain a strong reputation and customer loyalty over time. 21. Maintain a healthy work-life balance by setting clear boundaries between work and personal life to prevent burnout or stress-related health issues that could negatively impact your business performance over time. 22. Finally, always prioritize the needs of your customers above all else by providing exceptional service, prompt delivery of products, and transparent communication throughout the buying process to build a loyal customer base that will drive long-term growth for your Amazon dropshipping business in 2024 and beyond.